Site-Specific Plan Amendment Nomination PC-LE002, Loisdale Townhomes. The subject site consists of 3 vacant and wooded parcels containing a total combined area of 7.2 acres on the east side of Loisdale Road, which is generally running parallel with and immediately to the east of Interstate 95. The site shares its boundaries to the north and east with Loisdale Park. Just north of the park is Loisdale Estates, a single-family residential neighborhood planned and developed at a density of 2 to 3 dwelling units per acre. Auto dealerships are located on the 3 adjacent parcels to the south, and the Fort Belvoir North area is located to the west across I-95. At the northern portion of the site, Parcel 3 is planned for public park use to be combined with Loisdale Park. This parcel is zoned C2 Limited Office, and in 2009, a development plan was approved for an office use with conditions for open space buffering, building height limits, below-grade parking, and compatible signage to provide improved transitions to the neighboring homes in Loisdale Estates. The adopted plan also recommends that if Parcel 3 is developed as an office use in accordance with the underlying zoning, then certain design elements should be incorporated to limit visual impacts on the nearby homes. Parcels 4 and 5, which make up the remaining portion of the site, are zoned I3 Light Intensity Industrial. Both are planned within Land Unit K of the I-95 corridor industrial area, and both are recommended for industrial use at an intensity of up to 0.35 floor area ratio. This nomination proposes that the comprehensive plan be amended for the development of residential use at a density of 5 to 8 dwelling units per acre, which would result in 48 townhomes on the subject site. The nomination states that the owner's goals of consolidating these parcels to market and develop the approved office building never commenced because projected needs for office space supporting the 2005 base realignment and closure contractors at Fort Belvoir were never fully realized. As justification for this change, it contends that the townhouses of high-quality design represent a more appropriate transition of uses between Loisdale Estates and the auto dealerships. The nomination also suggests that a residential density of 5 to 8 dwelling units per acre at this site would result in lower land use intensity and reduced traffic impacts than those of the approved office building or industrial uses recommended in the adopted plan. Parcels 4 and 5 are in the I-95 corridor industrial area, and the comprehensive plan provides a concept for future development for this area, which seeks to provide suitable locations for industrial-related uses and specifically recommends that the area retains an overall industrial orientation. The county's strategic plan to facilitate economic success emphasizes the need to preserve existing land in industrial areas as valuable locations for light manufacturing, warehousing, service, and distribution uses that support county residents and businesses. The proposed introduction of residential uses on parcels 4 and 5 would be counter to the plan's goals for the I-95 corridor industrial area and the county-wide strategies for achieving economic success that emphasize the importance of retaining this land for industrial-related uses. Furthermore, either the planned park or an approved office use on Parcel 3 would provide a suitable buffer area and transitional land use between the planned industrial or related commercial uses to the south on Parcels 4 and 5 and the Loisdale Estate neighborhood to the north. For these reasons, staff does not recommend this nomination be included on the plan amendment work program.